Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shin Rodriguez from our Asagari channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos update. And because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang mano balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Taurus. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give information paano kayo gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha. So, ito na, tutuklasin na natin at alamin, bubulabugin natin buong pagkatao nyo, guys. Ito na. So, ito na nga. And this is something, the Four of Coins. Ooh, saving money, protect your power, protect your energy. Now, muiwas ka sa mga bagay or pagkakagastosan. This is the Four of Coins by reevaluate or analyze. So, kailangan nyo pag-isipan mabuti, no? Yung bawat binibitawan yung bariya at mga gastos, no? And because this is something, the Three of Coins, collaborations, no? This is something connections. Maaaring kumbaga meron din ditong pakikipag-usap o sa trabaho, no? Mayroon ditong about sa trabaho mo. Kailangan gamayan mo kasi hindi mo alam kung hanggang saan tatakbo ng eksena mo. No? Parang may nasasense ako dito guys na parang kailangan mo magtabi or mag-iba kasi parang magkakaroon ka ng second job or either kumbaga magbabago ka ng trabaho. This is the Eight of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. Maaaring kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng travel or maaaring makapasa ka na dun sa ina-applyan mo abroad. And this is the Seven of Coin, no? Nagre-represent dito with the harvest time. So may mga bagay na mag-harvest na yung matagal mo nang hinintay. And of course, this is the Two of Coins with a partnership. Magkakaroon din guys dito ng partnership. Partnership with a love life. This is unconditional love. And because this is a Four of Coins, represent the Queen of Swords, the bigger picture, no? Kumbaga tignan mo dapat kagad yung magiging posibilidad, no? Kumbaga tignan mo yung magiging outcome na magiging actions mo. And this is the Hierophant for our lesson learned. Na matuto ka na kung paano mo gagawin or matuto ka na yung mga bagay na nangyari sa from the past, kung ano yung kailangan mong maisakatuparan or kailangan mong umpisahan or unahin. There's a Three of Coins. Represent what? The Five of Wands. So see, complication or something, arguments. No, mag-ingat ka, maraming kakatrabaho dyan na inggitera, no? Maraming kumakalaban sa'yo. Maraming taong gusto ka talagang maalis dyan sa trabaho mo. Maraming taong gumagawa ng complication sa'yo. Maraming chismis, maraming chika, maraming mapanira. The Eight of Wands, represent what? The Hangman. Oh, this is something delays. Oh, so possible na maaaring nakararanas ka ngayon ng delays pagdating sa mga transactions or messages, no? Mga client mo, maaaring nakakaranas ka ng delays. And of course, there's the Seven of Coins, represent the Five of Coins. Financial loss, no? Ibig sabihin dito nakaranas ka ng financial loss or tuloy-tuloy na, kumbaga, gastos, no? There's a possible na kumbaga mapatagal-tagal pa ng very late yung pag-harvest nito. No? Kumbaga kung may hindi hintay kang pera, kumbaga darating siya pagkatapos na ng mga bayarin. Ganon. Kailangan mo na matapos yung mga problema mo. This is a Seven of Wands by protections. No? May taong pumuprotekta sa'yo or either kumbaga this is something a two of Cups with a partnership na kailangan mo proteksyonan. No? This is something love involvement. No? Protection at pangalaga mo pagdating sa pag-ibig. The Four of Coins was the Queen of Swords. Represent what? Oh, the Seven of Swords. Sneakiness, cheating, lying on you. Just be aware guys ha. Maraming taong sinungaling manloloko sa paligid mo. Maraming taong sisira. Maraming taong loloko sa iyo or maraming taong susubukan yung tiwala mo. Mag-iingat ka. So let's see. What is the Four of Cups, the Hierophant? Represents the chariot card for taking actions, no? May pagkilos at may paggalaw dito. Kailangan pag-iisipan mo mabuti. This is a chariot card for something, a movement. Action for two joining forces, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na bago ka mag-take ng action, kailangan pag-iisipan mo. Kasi this is possible na maaaring, kumbaga, there's a second time around na mangyari ito sa'yo. Na nangyari na yung mga pagkakamali na to. Maaaring maulit-ulit yung pagkakamali or may mga bagay dito na maaaring nangyari ulit. So let's see what is the 3 of coin. And of course the 5 of wands. Represent the 8 of coin. Oh, this is something focus. Na pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho ka na buhay mo, mag-focus ka daw. And then of course the 8 of wands and of course the hangman represent the 9 of sword. Oh, this is something anxiety, sleepless night. Oh, you're feeling hang, guys. Meron ditong, kumbaga, meron talagang delay na nangyayari, no? Na nagbibigay stress and depression sa'yo. Ibis na dumating na, kumbaga nauudlot pa. This is a 5 of swords. No, this is self-sabotage. That be aware, guys, na sa mga actions mo. Kasi nakakakuha na information tong mga tao sa'yo. Lalo na yung mga tao na ingit sa'yo na mangyayari tong gantong eksena mo, tapos biglang delays. Kasi, kumbaga, ginakadlangan, no, na makuha mo tong opportunities na to. Lalo na kapag inaasahan mo, there is a possible na nagkakaroon ng unexpected moment. The 2 of cups because the 7 of wands represent the ease of solving the breakthrough. Pero at the end of the time, magtatagumpay ka naman. Malalaman mo kung ano yung humakadlang. O malalaman mo kung ano yung nagbisisilbing balakid. Diba? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka dito ng realization at decision. May evaluate mo kung ano yung magiging posibilidad ng kalalabasan ng eksena na to. For the outcome. So, this is the lovers. Connected with the lovers and the 6 of cups. Ibig sabihin dito, maaaring meron gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda with your ex, no? This is the lovers. And then, si 6 of cups is something, a past person, no? Maaaring kumbaga, meron gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, it's either your ex. This is the king of coin, no? Kumbaga, maging secure ka pagdating sa finances. Tina-target ka dito pagdating sa pagkakaperahan. Para maghirap ka. Additional messages tayo about naman tayo sa career. This is the Hermit card with a spiritual, no, journey. And this is something the 8 of swords. See, may gumawa talaga ng pati sa negosyo, hanap buhay mong pamalas. No, the Hermit card is something spiritual, journey, spiritual awakening, and spiritual spiritual system or something na may kinalaman about sa spiritual. The 8 of swords is something that negativities around you. There's full of negativities na humakad lang sa eksena mo, kaya naiipit ka sa situation, diba? Ganon. And of course, this is something, the 9 of coins. So, kumbaga, at the end of the time, kapag nabasag at natanggal mo tong nagsisilbing blockages na to, this is something a blossoming. This is a windfall. Now, financial windfall. Talagang may pag-ulan ng biyaya, pag-ulan ng mga magagandang oportunidad sa harap mo. So, let's see additional messages pagdating sa love life. And this is the wheel of fortune. This is something destiny to happen, no? Pero talagang taong para sa'yo, talaga nakatadhana, talagang, di ba, makilala, matagpuan, mahalin. And this is the 6 of wands for victory is yours. At kumbaga, ipapanalo nyo yung isa't isa. Ay, kuya. Ang ganda na to, ha? Kumbaga, may taong nagdulot ng sakit at pigatisay sa nakaraan na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin siya nakaka-move on. So, let's see. Pagdating sa health, this is a tower moment for a major changes, no? Gusto ka nitong pabagsakin, gusto ka nitong magka-problema pagdating sa health issues mo. And this is a judgment, no? Parang binibigyan ka lagi ng paalala ng ating angel spirit na you need to pay attention, no? Kapag may mga ganong kalansay na nararamdaman, gamutin mo yung sarili mo with herbs, with alternative medicines, no? Hindi mo kailangan ng mga medisina na, alam mo na, diba, tabletas, ganyan. Kailangan mo ng herbs, no? Or fruits and vegetables. So, let's see, guys, no? What is additional messages tayo? Pagdating sa synchronicities. Pagdating sa synchronicities, this is something teacher, no? Kumbaga, may nagtuturo sa'yo sa eksena na to. And you become a kumbaga, you become a better version of yourself. That because of this transformation, no? Nag-transform ka that because of this person. And this is something persistence, no? Kumbaga, kailangan pagpatuloy mo yung ginagawa mo, no? Hindi ka madedestruct o hindi ka magugulo ni naman. This is something love involved with shooting star. Pinangarap mo to, hiniling mo to na itong tao na to magtagpo at magkakilala kaya as soon as possible. Or itong tao na magmamahal sa'yo for long term is something solid. So let's see what is additional messages with the mystical love oracle deck, no? And this is unfinished business. Meron talaga unfinished business dito, guys, no? And this is something non-committal, independence, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa kumbaga, independent ka naman. At the same time, this is something travel with experiences and new adventures, no? May mga opportunity na papasok dito. No? Mag-ingat ka lang dito sa tao na pilit bumabalik. Ooh. What is the magical fairy messages represent what? And this is summer. No? Ngayon summer season, maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. At the same time, guys, this is something vegetarian. Kailangan mo talaga ng fruit and vegetable, guys. No, either, guys, yung gumagawa sa'yo, kumbaga, it's either your ex or yung jowa, kumbaga, jowa ng ex mo, or either ex ng ex mo. Ganon. So let's see what is additional messages for yin and yang oracle card. And because this is something separation, meron talaga nag-separate dito, guys. Or maaari talaga paghiwalay kayo ng eksena at maaari kumaga pinagbukulod kayo ng tadhana. And this is something na surrender, release, no? Kailangan ng pakawalan, bitawan, and this is something growth, no? Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion for this. So let's see what is a money move oracle deck. And this is something helping hand. May tulong dito ng iyong palad, no? Maaaring, kumbaga sinasabi dito, may swerte ka sa palad mo. And this is something winning. Ipapanalo mo tong laban na to. Oh, alaga ba? Charis. So let's see, oh. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? With an angel spirit, guys, this is something illumination. Oh, God energy, the sun card, kumbaga this is something success coming in for you. At meron talaga double clarification, guys, na may growth talaga, may something expansion talaga na magaganap sa inyo, guys. And of course, this is something choices, no? Marami kang kayang piliin, marami kang kayang pagpilian. And of course, this is something snake. May ahas talaga sa eksena na to. And of course, this is something healing. Magkakaroon talaga ng healing, guys, dito, no? So let's see what is additional messages with the Archangel Michael. Let's see, guys, know what is additional messages for Archangel. For Archangel Michael messages. And you're on the right path. Wow, you're nasa tamang direction ka. Mag-ingat ka, guys, there's something snake here. May ahas talaga and a favorable outcome. Maaaring may tatraidor sa'yo dito. It's either family related. May traidor talaga, guys, no? Kakuntsaba ng ex mo to. And this is something wisdom, no? Mayroon talaga enlightenment, no? Maglilinaw sa'yo. And there's a destiny to happen. Talagang nakatadhana talaga lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari sa'yo. Apapabor sa'yo lahat ng sitwasyon and you're on the right path. Now, after this scenario, after this situation, no, magbabago na ang ikot ng kapalaran sa'yo. And this is an expansion, no? May growth din doon. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. No, pinapakita dito, guys, na talagang may lilitaw, no? Na maaring kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan. For the angels, answer represent what? There is a no. Marunong ka humindi, ha? Hindi puro oo. And a year from now, ngayong taon na to, ganito ganyan. No? Ngayong taon na to, and this is something peaceful resolution. Magkakaroon ka na kapayapaan solusyon. Additional messages for this energy. And this is journey, no? Kumbaga talagang this is something journey pagdating sa life first mo, kumbaga nandun sa eksena mo na pagdadaanan mo yung lahat ng bagay na to na parang isang tulay na may magsisilbing liwanag na patungo sa tagumpay. And this is something, the door to the value, na talagang bukas ang pinto pagdating sa mga halaga. No, this is something dollar or something, a lot of money coming in for you. At the same time, this is a third eye for Archangel Chamuel, no? Pagdating sa reproductive digestion, kumbaga, digestive system, no? Kailangan mong, kumbaga, mag-pay attention, no? Kailangan mo ng mga herbs, no? And of course, masusustansya pagkain. For Romance angels represent what? Wedding is coming. Talagang ikakasal ka this time. Or maaari magkakaroon ng higher level commitment for honeymoon. Talagang, di ba? This is something, chemistry or something, guys, na parang, di ba, mag-enjoy kayong dalawa sa isa't isa. May something na, may pagharap. Additional messages, no? And this is something animals. Mag-ingat ka sa mga animals. May animals dito, guys, no? Meron ka, kumbaga, animal lover ka, and this is something speaker. Mag-ingat ka, this is something orasyon. Meron talagang naggagayuma, guys, no? Just be aware. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a forgiveness. So, kumbaga may mga pagpapatawad, no? Pero wag ka na lang ulit magtitiwala. And this is something indecision. No, kumbaga, dapat, kumbaga, sa mga bagay-bagay, hindi dapat, kumbaga, nagdi-decide ka gagad sa mga ganito, kailangan indecision ka lang. Kumbaga, kailangan pag-isipan mo muna bago ka mag-take ng action. At the same time, and there's a way the hater with a deep love. No, may malalim talagang pag-ibig dito na pinanggagalingan. And the cosmic heart. So this is something devotions, no? A moving prayer. No, may pagdarasal talaga at meron talagang gumagawa ng gayuma, guys. Just be aware, ha. Mag-ingat ka, baka, 'di ba? Baka ginagawa ng eksena, no? Ang asawa o jowa mo. And this is something acceptance. So may mga bagay na unti-unti mo nang matatanggap. Na ganun talaga. No, maraming mga balakid, maraming tutol, maraming tsusera, charis. Monsology. Monsology represent what? Step out of your comfort zone. No, kung mawala ka sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Lalo-lalo yung mga taong alam, kumbaga, akala nila, 'di ba, na panatag na sila na ganto ganyan ka, ganto ganyan. Kumbaga, mag-ingat ka pa rin. Napakawalan mo yung, kumbaga, akala nila, tawag dito, pag ganyan-ganyan ka na natatakot ka sa mga ganyan eksena, hindi. Kumbaga, dapat laban na laban ka dito, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka dapat, kumbaga, natatakot, no? Ipakita yung sarili mo. And this is something, expect the powerful change, no? Ipakita mo na unti-unti magbabago ang kaganapan sa buhay mo, no? At yung mga bagay na ay papabor sa'yo. For Jesus loving quote said, "Knocking shall be open to you." No, kumakatok na ang ating Panginoon, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kumbaga buksan mo ang pintuan para matuklasan mo ang binibigay pahiwatig, no? Ang binibigay na mensahe ng ating angel spirit. For the angel's number represent what? Represent for blessing this, guys, no? There's something unexpected moment. Pero yung mga unexpected moment na yun, kumbaga may dahilan. This is something there might be some difficult ahead. But you will push through your goddess if you have been suffering or struggling or feeling lost. The winds of the change will blow on your favor. In your suffering or feeling lost, something may fall apart. But you building the framework for something much better hanging there. Na magtiwala ka. So may mga bagay lang na kumbaga nadi-delays or kumbaga nagkakaroon ng postpone or hindi pa napapanahon sa ngayon sa'yo. Kumbaga darating yung araw na kumbaga, ibibigay yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga. Diba? Magtiwala ka lamang. So, let's see what is the angel's messages for messages of life. Messages of life represent what? Consciousness. Oh. Consciousness represent, today I pay attention to every thoughts and feelings that I manifest. My outer words reflects my inner consciousness. I pour the light of my awareness of my constructive thoughts so they will grow and produce the experiences I want. Mindful of what created in this universe, I become an expression of divine light. So see, kumbaga pinapakita sa'yo dito kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo at yung mga bagay na nararamdaman, nakikita mo, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mag-ingat ka, no? Hindi kasi kumbaga, binibigyan ka na ng babala at may mga paalala dyan na kailangan mong kumilos gumalaw, no? Kumbaga, may mga paalala dyan na kailangan mong ayusin, no? At kailangan mong limitahan yung takot at pangamba mo. No, baka yun yung magsilbing balakid sa pagtupad ng mga pangarap mo. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, Taurus, Taurus. Maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos sa may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manibalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!